Who's a happy girl this morning? Who's a happy girl this morning? Good morning. Did you eat your oatmeal all gone? Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, you figure. Ita. Good morning, Jaden. Oh, such a big yawn. Dada. What else do you know today? There goes the tongue. Yeah? Hi! Can you high five? High five, Mama? JJ, high five. No, not today. You see yourself in here? Hi, baby. What? Ooh, such a fish. Yeah. Oh, yeah? No. You wanna play peekaboo? Where's Jaden? Where is she? Peekaboo! I think. Yeah? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. No. High five. High five. No. Say bye-bye. Okay, all done.